Ultamize. If you're serious about becoming a motivational speaker, don't treat this as something you go through once. Use it repeatedly because speaking is not something you understand once and then master. It's something you install through repetition. The first time you hear an idea, you understand it. The second time, you recognize it a little faster. The third time, you start to use it. And after enough repetition, it becomes automatic. Let me give you a simple example. The first time you tried to organize your thoughts out loud probably felt awkward. You had to think about every sentence. Now imagine doing that 30 times, 50 times, 100 times. You're not thinking the same way anymore. You're responding, you're expressing, you're moving through ideas more naturally. That's not because you learned more, it's because you repeated the right behaviors. Now, think about how everything else works in your life. The things you do automatically are the things you've done repeatedly. This is no different. So instead of asking, what's the next thing I should learn in my quest to be a great motivational speaker? Ask, what should I repeat? Because repetition builds clarity, repetition builds comfort, repetition builds skill. And over time, it builds identity. You stop thinking, I want to become a motivational speaker. And you start thinking, this is what I do. I speak to motivate people. I refine. I improve. So don't move on too quickly. Don't treat this as something you've finished. Come back to it and use it again. And each time, focus on action, not just understanding. Because the people who improve are not the ones who consume the most information. They're the ones who repeat the right actions consistently. So use this as a tool. Come back to it. Listen to the reset episode again and again and again. Reinforce your habits and keep building because this doesn't end here. This is something you continue. And the more you do, the better you become.